Hello, good afternoon. My name is Aura Soto, and I am doing my presentation today on Unify, the competency for wrapping instruments in pill pouch. So I do have my sterile film here. I'm pretending that all my instruments are coming from the sterilization machine right now, and I have them on my table. I have them set up. And then right now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna pick two instruments just to show you the correct way to pack them. I actually have with me the tape. Okay, I have the steam indicator strip, which these are gonna go inside inside of the pouch. Okay, on each one. And then I also have my marker. With my marker, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sign the pouch with my today's date, the name of the instrument, and my initials. That's what's gonna be. This is why I'm gonna be using the marker or the Sharpie. Okay. Now in here, I have a reinforced set. Also called a stick sponge, and so we gotta make sure that it's nice and clean. It's not broken. It closes nicely. Okay, there's no broken parts or anything like that. And then we know that it's already all clean. So right now what we need to do is just pick a pouch, which I already have. I have two different sizes here. For sure, I know that I'm not gonna be able to use the small one in here. Okay, this is a 3.5 by 6.5. So I wouldn't be able to use this one. I also have the second one, which is a 3.5 by 10. Also, it's a it's big, but it's not enough space for the reinforced set to go in there. I do also have the biggest one, or not the biggest, but the third one, which is a 5.5 by a 10. I can try to put it in there, but I have no space to seal it. So I will move up to the last size that I have, which is a 7.5 by 13. Yes. And so I will pick this pouch. Okay. And we want to make sure that we have the plastic covered in the front and paper in the back. And then we put in our instruments. We're thinking of, how are the surgeon gonna grab, or the surgical tech is gonna grab this instrument out of here, being sterile and not them touching it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it up, okay, and then we're gonna put it this way in, okay, and then it goes. Make sure it's open, okay, like this, and then we'll seal it from here. Okay, this here is already sealed. Okay, and then once it's finished sterile, we forgot to put in the steam indicator. This indicator will tell us if the steam or the sterilization and the cleaning went through and approved. And so on this one, I will put today's date on it. Okay, so today is 10/9, and then the operator, which is me, my initials goes in there. Okay, and then we put this inside. We make sure to put it inside and then seal the pouch. Okay, now it's in there, it's inside, it's open, and then once it's done, the surgical tech or the surgeon or the nurse, whoever goes and grab it, can just open it through here, and it'll be easy. And then the handle is right in here, so they don't have to be touching all the end of the instrument. So you just open it through here. Okay, and this is done. This can go in the steaming machine. And then we have our second one. Our second one is the scent retractor. Same thing, expect for any problems or broken or any stain or anything like that. Looks nice and clean. And then we'll pick a pouch, and for this one I'm gonna pick the 514 by 10. Again, I'm gonna put the instrument inside here quick. Okay, that goes inside, and it's just a nice perfect size for it. And then we also put in the indicator in there. And then we'll date it and time it. And always your initials, because if there's a problem with it, they can always come back to you and tell you and ask, you know, let you know what happened. Again, we seal it. Okay, this is already sealed and ready to be going to the steam room, to the steam machine. And there you have it. It's all done and ready to go in. And on this one, I'm just gonna go and write on both of them on the outside of the pouch. Okay, I'm just gonna write here the name of the instrument. Okay, it's the scent retractor here. Today's date. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. Right in here, and the same thing on the other one. We're gonna write reinforced set. Today's date, and of course my initials. And then now both of them can go to the steam machine for sterilization, and then be ready to be used in the OR or for any procedure that needs to be done. Okay, the tape is another way that you can use to put in your name. I cannot even open it right now. To put in your name, the name of the instrument, and also your initials, and then just put it to the pouch. Okay, also the tape is used to do wrapping. If you're gonna wrap any instrument, you'll be using the tape for it. Okay, this is the other wrapping material that I have for wrapping any instruments, and then we use the tape to seal it. And this is also a indicator tape. Okay, thank you.